15, something like that. And slowly but surely the people, when them said that no, but mine was like,
Guys, it's Monday and I'm currently trying to get ready for another kind of promo pic for Caked Up by Dolly. I'm trying to work on like getting footage of everything that I do as I do it. So hard because I've been doing so much. I've been literally preparing for launch every single day for the past week. That's why I haven't filmed any YouTube videos or anything like that. My packaging has not arrived yet. I'm waiting on that. So that's one of the things that's holding me back, because the next video I wanted to do was I wanted to do like an unboxing, and then I kind of wanted to show you guys how I will ship my packages and stuff like that before launch, just so you guys can have like a little bit of insight on how the whole process goes. And I wanted to kind of show you guys like how I make my little flyers for Instagram and how I make my what else how is it that I just had the powder and now it's not here? Like, that doesn't make sense. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys like how I make my flyers for Instagram, how I'm going to be promoting my lashes and that type of thing. And I also think I'm gonna do a story time about kind of like how my business even started. Everything is just taking a little bit longer than expected because my packaging got pushed back for whatever reason, and now I have to wait until that gets here before I can even move forward and start doing other things. And when we actually launch, that's when I'll be able to show you guys more stuff, because I want to like be hands-on kind of when I'm showing you stuff versus like explaining it, because I don't want to explain stuff and then you not understand because you're not seeing me physically doing it. So that's important. And I feel like I look weird with my face soaking wet like this. And I'm also working on a video about like another productive day video, another decluttering video. Like I said, I want to do an unboxing of my lashes and an unboxing of my packaging so you guys can see what the packaging looks like. And yeah, so typically around this time what I do is it's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now. Typically what I do is I would get ready to do like take a picture or something. Like, I try to stay at least consistent on Instagram if that's the last thing that I do, because it's very hard to stay consistent on YouTube. But as long as I have my Instagram, I'm always gonna have that ability oh my god, I'm also gonna have that ability to stay relevant on YouTube if I have my Instagram, because the majority of the people on my Instagram are subscribed to my YouTube. So therefore, if I have a new video up, I can always, like, you know, announce that on Instagram, whatever. So what I do to stay consistent is I'll take a bunch of pictures like I'm about to do. So today, in order to be consistent with everything that I'm doing, I'm gonna be taking pictures of my lashes, since my face is already like, you know, put together. And on top of that, I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram as well. So basically I'm doing 2 in 1. So you always want to figure out what works for you. For me, that's how I stay relevant. I try to post at least 1 picture per day on Instagram. That's the least I could do since I'm not working. But I do need time to work on my business, so I really haven't been focusing on YouTube that much. But now that my business is starting to launch, my YouTube videos are going to start coming out more frequently, because I'm going to be posting about my business and like tips and tricks and stuff like that. You guys are going to see. So I hope you guys can get a little bit of inspo from this video on like how to like brand, how to stay consistent. So yep, hope you guys enjoy. I just got this package from Amazon. I'm about to open it and see what it is. I honestly don't know what it is because I ordered so much stuff for my business launch. They're just coming like in one at a time. Okay, I think I know what this is. This is actually one of my props for my pictures, because I'm gonna be doing like a little mini IG photo shoot for like my lashes. I just came up with this random idea. So it's basically my little cake prop for my pictures. And there it is, my little cupcake stand. And I'm going to be putting my lashes on here and doing a little photo shoot. I'm gonna kind of stack them up on here like this, like little cupcakes. And yeah, so that's the idea. So I just finished filming a story time on how I started my business. If you guys want to see that, make sure you click the link up here. I'm kind of tired already, like it's already 3 o'clock. You could tell it's been hours because my face is like super like oily and disgusting. I did post a picture. My picture came out. I really just needed a picture for my Instagram, my personal Instagram, because I felt like I needed to post something. So yeah, it wasn't really for the lash company, but I did tag my lashes. You always want to promote as much as you can whenever you can. Every time you get an opportunity to promote, of course you're gonna promote, because I'm wearing my lashes. Like, if anybody wants to know where I got my lashes from, then yes, I will include the link and the tag and everything like that. See, the lash page is coming along pretty well so far. I really don't like posting myself on there, but I do it right now only because I don't have much models yet. You gotta work with what you got. Like, if you don't got a model, you better use yourself, because there's no other option. If you want to showcase your product but you just don't have nobody right now, use yourself. Again, you can find models though and literally get people to do it for free, as long as you give them the merchandise. And it's not really expensive for you to give away a free lash. Like, let's be honest. Don't be one of those people who don't want to give away free merchandise. It's either you're going to give away free merchandise or you're going to pay somebody. And I think you'd rather give away a free lash, because if you have to pay somebody, you have to give them a decent amount of money to be like, oh, can you post? You know what I mean? And you're going to end up paying more if you pay somebody. There's a lot of girls out there that's willing to give you their face, as long as you can just give them the product. That's how I started out. I would take pretty much products from different places and I wouldn't charge them, and I would just post for them. At the end of the day, it was helping me out because I was there, my face was on their page. So at the end of the day, I was getting traffic. So if you really think about it, you wouldn't be that person. You would use what you can, find who you can. There's a lot of girls out there willing to do it for you. As long as you just post a little, you know, like a little thing on your story saying like you're looking for ambassadors, DM if you're interested or something like that. I don't do that. I just reach out to people because I don't want a whole bunch of DMs coming in and then people getting their feelings hurt when I don't, you know, when I don't choose them, or when I say no because I don't really like the certain way that they're running their social media account. There's a lot of things that play into you choosing somebody. You have to choose somebody who you know is gonna really sell that item. You know what I mean? Like, you can be one of those people who just uses anybody, but I'm the type of person that I have to see that your social media is kind of like, you know, your social media has potential. At least like, you post often, you seem like you have a really good influence on your audience. I like people like that, you know. I already said it. Use your face. Use your cousin. I used my friend the other day, Brittany. Shout out to her. This was her eye. I just simply did her makeup for her, put the lash on, snapped a picture, and there it was. I had a quality piece of content for my Instagram. Simple. Okay guys, so it's Thursday and I just got my little bubble packaging. These go inside of the actual mailer packaging, so I'm gonna be doubling it pretty much. Like, so basically I'm gonna put the lashes in here with maybe like a thank you card or something, so that they can have like a discount for their next purchase, that type of thing. So That's why I got this, because you don't want to just throw your merchandise inside a bubble mailer because it's just tacky in my opinion. You can do what you want to do, but I think it's tacky. So I like to package my packaging, if that makes sense. My packaging just came in the mail finally after waiting like a whole week. So I'm about to open these up and see what they look like. Sorry guys, my camera died earlier, but this is what the packaging looks like. I basically got the stickers separate so that I can do it myself. You don't have to use stickers, like I said. You could do like printing, but I think that's a little bit more expensive. I'm glad that I have the stickers because I can use them for like other packaging. If I change my mind, I can do a different color and just put the stickers on top, or I can do stickers on top of boxes, so it works. And I think it's really cute. And I'm going to show you guys what else came. So over here is where I'll be printing my stuff. This is my HP printer. I had this printer for years. It has Wi-Fi, so it works for my phone. I got the sticker paper from Amazon. I got like a pack of like 200, I believe. So it's like this paper. You can just put it in any regular printer. These are good because they can just peel off like that, and then you just stick them to your package. This cute little cupcake stand for my lashes. These are just gonna be like for display and pictures and for my Instagram photos. So I'm just using that as like a kind of like to go with the theme of my business. So inside my little shelving, I got my stickers in here. I got like, I think it's like 500 stickers I ordered. I got these little plastic things. I was going to use these for the lashes, but they're not big enough. Be careful on Amazon. Sometimes they lie about the size. This is not 4 by I think it was supposed to be 4 by 6 or something like that, but it was not big enough. So I'm gonna have to use this for like tweezers or something. I don't know yet. I got all my packaging in here. I put some of the bubble mailers in here. I had some old bubble mailers from like years ago, and I found them the other day. They're really small though. This is the old one. This is the new one. So you could tell like it's really big. I could still use these for like one lash maybe and save some money. Just put some stickers on it. I just don't want the sticker to be like too big. Let me see. Yep, that works. I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take these. See what I was saying about like the old packaging? It was so bad. Like I did not know. I don't know what this is that they did, but it was so bad. It wasn't terrible, especially when you put the little glitter background on the lashes, but like by itself it looks bad. But I'm gonna be using these as like bonus gifts. I'm just gonna put them in a lot of the lash orders for free for some of the customers. I think I might do like one gold package every week, and I'm going to probably do like a surprise gift in the gold package. So if you receive a gold package, you're probably gonna get an extra lash or something crazy like that. I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure that part out, but I'm not sure. Here, I still got my paper, and this is how the paper looks, the one with the sticky on it. This is the back side and this is the front side. I got a whole box of them right here. And regular paper down there. I got my tape right here for my boxes. And my boxes didn't come yet, so. Hello?
Hello, Shari. Good to hear that you answered the call right away. I'm just sorry, there might be a problem on the line itself, and I'm just sorry for the disconnect.
That's fine.